How to create Tinder account. Ready to dive into the world of swipes and sparks? Here's how to create your Tinder account on your smartphone, step by step. First, head over to App Store on iPhone and download it. Once the app is installed, tap open to launch. Open the app and here go back. Now on the welcome screen, you will see create account and sign in. To create account, simply tap on create account. Here enter your country code. First enter it and enter your number and tap next. Now you'll be sent a verification code in your SMS. Enter that verification code and tap on next. Now it's time to enter your email. Simply enter your email. Once you enter the email, tap on next. You can skip it and tap on I agree. Now enter your first name, tap next and tap on let's go. You can enter your birthday from here, tap on next. Once you enter your birthday, you can select your gender and tap on next. You can choose your orientation from here and tap on next. You can also skip it and you can just select it and tap on next. Select your distance preference and tap on next. You can just choose anything from here. Once you choose it, tap on next. You can just skip this one. Skip it for now. Skip it. You can add your recent pictures from here. Let's add it. Okay, tap on done. Okay, you need to add 6 pictures, so add it. Okay, once you add your recent pics, tap on next. You can allow your location like this, and that's it. Tap and continue. You can just cross it, and that's how you create a Tinder account. Simple, quick, and now you're ready to match, chat, and maybe meet someone amazing. If this helped, hit the like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Are you on Tinder for love, friendship, or fun?